Have you ever tried to add a whole folder to Git, only to be met with an error message? It can be really frustrating, right? If that's you, then you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle how to add an entire folder in Git and resolve that pesky error. I totally get it. Seeing that error message, fatal, pathspec did not match any files, can leave you scratching your head. You're not alone in this. Many newcomers to Git face similar challenges. Let's dive into the specific situation at hand. One user recently asked, "Why am I getting this error when trying to add my whole working directory?" They mentioned they were in the correct directory, but still faced issues. Sound familiar? Let's explore this together. So, what could be causing this error? It often happens when the folder name is incorrect or when you're not in the right directory. We'll break it down step by step to help you understand what's going on. And stick around. I've got a great tip at the end that will help you manage your Git repositories more effectively. To add a whole folder to Git, the user should first ensure they are in the correct directory. They can do this by using the command pwd to print the working directory. Next, the user should use the command git add followed by a period. This command adds all changes in the current directory, including all files and folders. If the user wants to add a specific folder, they should ensure that the folder name is correct and that it exists in the current directory. They can do this by listing the contents with ls. After confirming the folder's existence, the user can add it specifically by using git add followed by the folder name. For example, git add folder name. Finally, regarding best practices, it's generally better to commit changes in smaller, logical chunks rather than adding everything at once. This makes it easier to track changes. Fun fact, did you know that Git was created by Linus Torvalds in 2005? It was designed to handle everything from small to very large projects with speed and efficiency. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution from another user suggests that if your folder name contains spaces, you should enclose the folder name in quotation marks when using the git add command. That's the end of that answer. Let's see another perspective. An alternative solution suggests that your folder might not be under Git version control or could be ignored. To add your entire folder, try using the command git add-a. Now, let's shift our focus to a different response. An alternative approach shared by another user is to use quotation marks around the folder's name when adding it to Git. This ensures that the command recognizes the folder correctly. Here's that great tip I promised. It's often better to commit changes in smaller chunks rather than adding everything at once. This makes it easier to track changes and manage your project effectively. And there you have it. You should now be able to add your whole folder without any issues. Remember, managing your commits wisely is key to a smooth workflow. If you found this helpful, hit that subscribe button for more tips and don't miss our next video on mastering Git.